Groups, good afternoon. Today I will show you different types of Unilever Company merge, Dove, tube bottles. Dove, tube bottle, meron tayong new Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Straight and Silky Shampoo for external straight, smooth and shiny. Meron tayong available for 340 ml. Next, meron din tayong Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Hair Fall Rescue Plus Shampoo. Available po yan for 640 ml. Next, meron din tayong Dove tube bottle Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Nourishing Oil Care Shampoo. Available po yan for 340 ml. Unilever po yan. Yung Dove shampoo tube bottle, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merge. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam yung next, meron din tayong Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Available for 170 ml. Meron din tayong new Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Intense Repair Shampoo for external repaired, restored and soft hair. Available for 170 ml. Meron din tayong Dove tube bottle Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Straight and Silky Shampoo. Available for 170 ml. Meron din tayong new Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Hair Fall Rescue Shampoo. Available for 170 ml din. Meron din tayong new Dove tube bottle Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Nourishing Oil Care Shampoo. Available for 170 ml. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge, Dove tube bottle shampoo. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching.